Hello everyone, welcome to Technolytics, Take IT Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your Google Spreadsheet questionnaire into Google Form in the form of a quiz. It is very easy process which will be very helpful for all the teachers in current scenario. Now here my table is ready with the columns such as question, type of the question, maybe multiple choice or maybe short answer, paragraph, check boxes, etc. Then required field, that means if it is mandatory, then true. If it is not, then false. Then here in the column D till column G, I am having four options. So the options which you are providing for this particular question, you can write it over here. And in the column H, I have specified current answer. And in column I have specified particular points for this question. Okay. So my table is ready. Now it's time to convert this table in the Google form and certainly in the Google quiz. For this purpose, I'm clicking on add-ons menu, and here you can see one add-on is already installed, that is Form Builder for Sheets. But in your case, you need to get that add-on. So how you will be able to install it? Click on this Get Add-ons. And here in the search apps, you just have to write Form Builder. You can be, these three options will be available for you. That is Simple Form Builder for Google Sheets, and Form Builder for Docs. We are clicking on this second option, that is Form Builder for Sheets. Here you can see the yellow colored icon is there. So you just have to click here, and here I'm getting the button uninstall. The reason is that I have already installed it, but in your case, it will be visible as install button. So you just have to click it, and the particular app will be available for you like this. Form Builder for Sheets. Now I'm clicking on Start button. You can see this Form Builder for Sheets window is visible. It is asking me that the source sheet you need to select. So my source worksheet is sheet 1. So I have selected it by default. Then it is asking whether you need to consider the entire Google spreadsheet or certain range from it. So currently we are selecting on the full spreadsheet. Next, it is asking to select the pattern. Here three patterns are available. Only questions, questions and answers, and quiz. So let's click on this quiz option. So all sub options are visible now. Here it is asking the range includes header. You can check in my particular table the header is available. So it includes header, and hence I am clicking on this checkbox. Then it is asking me that questions are in which column. So you can see my questions are there in the column A. My type is there in the column B. Then description I have omitted. Answers starts in the column from the column D, and my answers are ending till the column column G. Okay. My required column is there in the column C. No delimiter is there. I am omitting these questions. My correct answers are there in the column H, and my points I have allotted in the column I. So we have selected all the respective columns and mapping is been done. Now we are clicking on this Get button so that my form is ready to import. Okay, so you can see all these options are there. It is asking me whether you want to create a new form or you just want to choose already available form. So I'm clicking on create form, and here I'm writing the name of that form, Technolytics Form Builder Demo. I'm clicking on the button create. You can see my form is available. Let's see, let's check this form. Great. Our form is ready with the heading Technologics Form Builder Demo. But where are the questions? Let's go back, and here you need to click on this import selected. Once you will click on import selected, it will import it successfully. And here, yes, all questions with the respective answers are ready. Let's check whether correct answer is there or not. I'm just clicking on it. You can see the correct answer is been highlighted. What about points? Yes, 2 points as we allotted are also been given. What about required field? Yes, it has been selected to true. That means this question is mandatory. And what about the question type? Yes, it is multiple choice as selected in the spreadsheet. So guys, you can see it is so easy to create the quiz in the Google form using the Google spreadsheet. Which add-on we have used here? We have used add-on Form Builder for Google Sheets. On behalf of Team Technologics, I thank you all for attending today's session and wish you all a very happy learning.